In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from GCash. If you've ever needed proof of payment for reimbursements, personal records, or to settle a bill dispute, a GCash receipt is the cleanest way to show exactly what happened and when. I'll walk you through the process clearly, keep things simple, and add helpful context so you know what to expect on each screen. Start by opening the GCash app on your device. Give it a second to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything pulls in smoothly. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section where you can review what you've done in your account. Tap on Transactions. This is the hub where you can see your recent activity at a glance. Payments you've made, money you've received, bills you've paid, and more. It's the place that ties your actions to the documentation you might need. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Transactions screen. You'll see an icon there. Depending on your version of the app, it might look like a filter, a document, a download symbol, or a simple options button. Go ahead and tap that icon. You're not changing anything in your account. You're just opening the tools that help you format and request your receipt. You'll be given the option to set a date range. This step matters because your receipt will reflect exactly what falls between those dates. Choose the start date and the end date carefully. If you're trying to document a single payment that happened on a specific day, set both dates to that same day. If you need a summary for a week or a month, for example, for expense reporting, select the full period you want. A quick tip: narrower ranges usually process faster and make it easier to find the exact entries you care about. Once you've set the date range that fits your needs, look for the button to finalize your request. Tap Submit Request. After you submit, give the app a moment to compile the data. The system pulls the matching transactions and formats them into a neat receipt. Keep the app open until you see confirmation that your request has been processed, and avoid switching away if your signal is spotty. That's all you need to do. Open the GCash app, go to Transactions, tap the icon at the top right, select your date range, and submit your request. If the icon isn't visible, double-check that you're on the Transactions screen. With that, you'll have a clear, time-stamped record ready whenever you need it.